Kia Telluride X front bumper replacement. This guide will walk you through the proper steps to remove the front bumper of your 2024 Kia Telluride without damaging any components. Use plastic tools with protective tape to safely remove trim pieces without damaging or scratching the parts. Step 1. Release the upper mounting clips of the front bumper. The photo shows 6 clips securing the upper part of the front bumper. Step 2. Detach the lower mounting clips of the front bumper. For easiest access, and to save your back, get the car up on a lift before tackling this step. Step 3. After loosening the clips and the screw on the side of the front bumper assembly, remove the side section of the front bumper assembly. When pulling out the front bumper assembly, be careful as the side part may get damaged by the protruding section. Step 4. Press the lock pin and disconnect the main connector of the front bumper. Step 5. Remove the front bumper assembly. Step 6. To install the front bumper, follow the removal procedure in reverse. Useful information. Ensure the connector is securely plugged in. Replace any damaged clips or pin-type retainers. Kia Telluride Radiator Grille Replacement. Just follow these straightforward steps, and you'll have the radiator grille on your Kia Telluride X replaced yourself in no time. Step 1. Remove the front bumper assembly. To complete this step, watch the first part of the video, where we demonstrate exactly how to do it. Step 2. Detach the wiring, A, connected to the front bumper assembly and radiator grille. Step 3. Once the mounting screws have been loosened, remove the radiator grille upper cover, A. Step 4. After loosening the screws, carefully remove the radiator grille. At first glance, it may seem simple. We provide step-by-step tips to guide you. But keep in mind, this task still requires some skills and know-how. Step 5. To complete the installation, follow the removal steps in reverse order. Front radar replacement. To replace FCA radar on your 2025 Kia Telluride, you first need to remove the front bumper. For guidance on this step, refer to the first part of the video, where we walk you through the process. Step 1. Loosen the mounting bolts and nuts. Remove the front bumper beam assembly, A. Step 2. Once you have access to the radar, disconnect connector, A, as shown in the illustration. Step 3. After loosening the mounting nuts, detach the front radar unit. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. You can also support its growth by becoming a sponsor. The link is below.